everyone, welcome back to my channel Basil Chic. On this Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get stains out of your clothes, because Dwella Palm Beach asked me on Instagram, how do you get out laundry stains? And I found the perfect solution that I'm so excited to share with you guys today. And the way I knew that this solution actually worked is if it could get out set and grease or oil stains. Those are the hardest stains to get out. This solution can get out those stains. And I tested it on several other different stains and it has not met its match. It's been able to get out everything, including the hardest stain of all, in my opinion, which is those set and grease and oil stains. So let me go ahead and share with you guys the secret. You are gonna need three things. The first thing is the all-purpose bleach alternative by the Laundress. The second thing is the stain solution by the Laundress. And the thing is, this is not sponsored by the Laundress. I just happened to this is actually the solution that they recommended on the back of their bottle. So I decided to give it a try and it works. And I don't know how it works or why it works, but I know that these are healthy products for you in your home and it works. So I'm using it. And the third thing you're gonna need is a little brush. And I use this one by the Laundress because I just thought it was pretty, but you can use a toothbrush or something like that, but you need some sort of a little brush. So let me go ahead and share with you guys how this works. We're going to be working on this stain right here. You can tell it's a large oil or grease stain and it's been set in. So the first thing we're going to do is take the stain solution, the liquid, and I'm just going to pour it on here like that. And you got to be generous with this stuff, I realized. Okay, so then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to take this all-purpose bleach alternative and then we're going to put this on top of it like that. Again, be generous. Okay, so now we are going to take this little brush and we're just going to work it in. And sometimes what I even do is add a little bit more of the liquid to make sure it gets in there really good. So now that that's done, we're just gonna let this sit. So I might let this sit just all night, but I would at least let it sit for an hour. I mean, it probably would work after 20 to 30 minutes, but for me, the longer the better. So right here is a little tiny oil or grease stain that we have in Mike's other shirt. So I'm gonna do the same thing. So now that the shirts are done and clean, I do not see an oil stain in this shirt whatsoever. So it used to be like a dark little spot somewhere around here, I think, and I don't see anything. It definitely worked. Now here's the second t-shirt, and if you remember, the oil stain was down here underneath the words, and I do not see any set in oil or grease stains. It is completely gone. Now the thing is I don't think I needed to wait overnight with these shirts. I think it would have been fine after 30 minutes to 2 hours after doing this. However, it definitely worked. If I know it works for the oil and grease stains, then it'll pretty much work on anything, and that has been true. That is how you get out all sorts of stubborn stains from your clothes, including those really tough, hard to get out oil and grease stains. This really works, and I hope that you guys try it. I'm going to link all the products below in case you're interested. I'm here every Tuesday for Tip Tuesday, so please subscribe if you found value in this video. I would love to see you every week. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have a question for a future Tip Tuesday. I would love to feature it. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.